Hello friends and welcome to Pony Plays Card Games. I'm your Pony and today I'm going to be bringing you an unboxing of Wave 2 of the My Little Pony blind box rubber figures. I've gotten a couple of these before and you can check out my quick video of me unboxing those. I got some really cool ones including an awesome Rainbow Dash, and these ones are the next run of different figures that you can get. There's even some cool ones like T-Rex and Discord in there this time. It looks like it's based on the battle against T-Rex for the kinds of figures that you'll be able to get and the characters at whatever stage progression they'd be at in the story. So we're gonna see who we managed to pull in this box, and this time I have a complete box of them. So we'll get to see what a full run is like to unbox, and how many super rare ones we actually get out of a full box. Here we go. Ooh, you get this little guidebook, 30 figures and 62 variants, I'm thinking that may be saying. Friendship is magic. Because the trick with these is that you can get a range of different figures in them, but they can come in different color variants, as you can see in here, with some being rarer than the others, which I think the glitter transparents are generally the rarest. Even T-Rex has two different kinds you can get for the color change. So don't know if these are heat color change or how they're meant to shift, but that'll be cool to have an experiment with. I will test some stuff out and probably leave a comment down below for you to check out and see how exactly they shift. And these are the cards that come with them. The cards in the last set were lovely. Probably worth getting the whole box even if you aren't a fan of the rubber figures, just for how nice the cards looked. So that's the guidebook to it. And here is the box with the figures. We've got a starburst explosion instead of the wings. The last box had wings on the top of it. They're really cute boxes. Very much like the design on these. And here we go. Sparkling Kingdom, it says just there. So that may be the name of the set. So we can... Maybe I get my scissors and we lift this up and cut it open there. There we go. And is that Spitfire? It is. And funnily enough, the pack with the card is in the glue. There we go. So they're like a stamp. They've got that stamp edge design to them. This one's got a shatter foil style foiling. And they're much more solid than the last set. The last set had a flimsier feel. These feel sturdy. And the figurine here, in a very spacious packet. There we go. And they do well at mimicking the pose in this set, which is... I turned around to see the back. They do well at mimicking the pose on the card, which is good. So there's Spitfire there. Let's see if I can... There we go. Should be able to just pop your thumb in the back, pull it out, and this one is not in the glue. We've got Diamond Tiara. They're a very, very sturdy wrapper, actually. I'm probably just going to use my scissors for these, because that is some quality plastic that they're using to wrap these up. There we go. Standing on her diamond there. Looking pretty sad. So that would have probably been from the song where in the episode that the Cutie Mark Crusaders got their cutie marks. I think in the box as well, yeah, you do. You get a mini pamphlet to show the different kinds of characters that you can get. It's funny because I think some of these ones look familiar off of the set 1 stuff. I shall have to try and find out whether that is true. There may be some redos, but Caillou does that sometimes. They'll do in like their moon sets versus their fun box sets for the collectible cards. You'll be able to get the same rares and ultra rares in each of those. Fluttershy. Oh, now these ones are definitely new. So this one here has her with her key to the chest by the Tree of Harmony. There we go. Yeah. Whoop. There we go. In camera. That's a lovely one. I like how they've got her up and flying, so her tail is on the cloud base. Or it's a bit more of a bush base in the picture there, but she balances well, which is always a good thing to have when you've got a figurine, is having good balance so that you can display it nicely. So maybe we try and pick this one off the figure. Ooh, and I think that is a rare figure because it's the blue transparent. That's Diamond Tiara. So we got the rare Diamond Tiara. It's the same card, but that means that we've gotten a couple of the different rarities of her. Let's see in the pamphlet here where it shows Diamond Tiara. There we go. You can see in there. So there's a purpley, lavendery purple that is more her kind of colour. These are rubber figures, so you can see the crown will wobble around, but they're actually got a little bit of flex to them, which is nice. But we managed to get the rare. the transparent blue diamond tiara, which even has her cutie mark engraved in there, which I'm struggling to pick up on the camera. Can slightly see it. There we go. That's the difference between a common and a rare. Ooh, card was over this side. Shining armor. There we go. There he is, busting a move. Looks like he'd be dancing at the wedding. Nice one. And even that with a lot, like they've put that base just to do the balance. They've done really well at balancing these figures, I reckon. So far anyway, I haven't gotten one that you weren't able to stand pretty well. And I'm currently on my bed, so they are standing on a mattress. There's an Applejack, and this would be the new Applejack for this set. Lounging back there. And is this? This would be the rare Applejack. It looks like with the, yeah, neat. She's got, here we go. Alright, pardon me, I had to pause and get the door. Alright, so we have got this Applejack, which looks to be the transparent rare. She's got like a leaf sprig in her mouth, which she does have on the card there too. You can see. There we go. Catches it just there in the light. I wonder if, because this Applejack does not have a key. If we look here at the little leaflet, there is a key holder of each. And then yes, we've got an Applejack there that does not have a key. And yes, there's a rarity. So there'd be ones, there's one of each of them that is not a key holder, and one of each of them that is. And they've got the regular colour or the transparent colour. So we managed to get the transparent Applejack, which is the rare Applejack. So we've gotten two of the transparent ones so far, which is cool. So you get a few of those in the box, it looks like. Is that Twilight Sparkle? Yes, it is. Well, that's Twilight when T-Rex just destroyed the Golden Oak Library. Okay, and she's got Aloysius on her head. I wonder if this figure will have that as well. She does. There you go. She's got little Aloysius on her head. A sad scene, but a very cute figure. Is that another transparent one? We're doing pretty well for those. Rainbow Dash, Chillaxin, by the lake there. That'll be a cool pose for a figure to be in. There we go. It's even got the little patch of leaves and ground that she's leaning on there. Sunny's atop her head. That is cute. So we've gotten 3 of the transparent rare ones so far. Out of there's 12 figures in a box. So the full box of this, it's got a bit of a peel up around where the wings. So these would actually be able to, I think, if you dug in. There we go. Hook up and under. I'm trashing these boxes anyway, opening them, so I may as well have a try at doing this messily. There we go. So you can lift those up. Probably a lot neater than I have just done. But you can lift those up and make it like that. The starburst is exploding out. Is that? Yes! We have now gotten a full set of Diamond Tiara. The complete collection. So that is Diamond Tiara in the limey kind of green. And this is then the full range of colours and rarities for that particular one. And all of the cards are the same. There is no difference whatsoever to these cards that you get with them. So there you go. The full stash. And 3 boxes left. So, let's figure this one out from the figure, maybe. We keep grabbing the cards. Let's grab the figure. Let's see who it is. Is that Sweetie Belle? It does look like Sweetie Belle. And it is indeed Sweetie Belle with her mislegged sewing catastrophe from when they were trying to put on the play in the Showstoppers, or the rock ballad. Wicked. Alright, so there's Sweetie Belle. Last 2. Or Discord. That's nice. Check out that foiling. So you got the full character is surrounded by that silver, and there's the stars gone off in the background. And the shatter foil. And texture. If you can see there without getting too blinded by the glare. This one goes all out. So here he is. The Draconicus himself. There you go. That's not... Yeah, let's bring the card up too so that it'll focus in. There we go. It's got a glittery body. Looks like glittering Coke. There's mismatched wings. And the head is green, and that'll probably be the thing that'll change colour somehow. That's a nice pull. That's the rarest one that we have gotten so far. And he stands. Then we have the last box. So do we beat Discord in rarity here? No, we get another Sweetie Belle. But we get the rare Sweetie Belle. There we go, the transparent orange looking Sweetie Belle. So that is then the distribution of this box. We've gotten 1, 2, 3, 4 of the transparent rare ones. Diamond Tiara, Rainbow Dash, Sweetie Belle, and Applejack. We have gotten a selection of the common ones, but the key holder, Fluttershy, she's marked as a common based on, they've got these little symbols. There's the little rainbow symbol, I think, would mean the common, and the transparent would be the heart rare. And Discord is one of the higher rarity ones, so it looks like you get one super rare one for the box, and we got Discord. They are a really sweet range of figures, and as I said, the cards are awesome. I love the high rarity characters cards for the foiling that they do over them. They look really cool. It's an interesting design with the stamp pressed edges for them. So that is the full unboxing of Wave 2 of the My Little Pony blind box rubber figures. Thank you for joining me for that. If you want to see my quick hit unboxing of some of the Wave 1 figures, then you can go and check that out. I'll try and put a tag just up in the top corner here to link to that. And if you're interested in any other unboxings or even some gameplay videos, I've got plenty of that kind of stuff on my channel, and will be progressively adding more as I rip into them. So if you'd like to see some of that, subscribe and check out my other content. It's been a pleasure having you with me, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye for now.